taken too long.
Action!
What's up guys? Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make Toowoomba pasta. This is one of the most loved pasta dish in Korea in 2000, not 20s. In 2000 time era when I was early 20s, when my 20s. This dish is created by an American restaurant inspired from Australia style steakhouse. Italian menu with Korean twist. Can be better than this. So the first thing is we are going to chop some garlic. I'm boiling a salted water over back there. I'm gonna start cooking the pasta when I start actually cooking the sauce too. Chop one small onion, not chop, like also like a medium diced. You don't want it too small, but you don't want it too big either. If you are around the like same age as me, Korean, you know Toowoomba pasta. You go out back, you eat of course the bread first, and then you order the French onion and the honey mustard chicken tender salad and the Toowoomba pasta. It's like almost like the set menu, but realize none of those menus exist in American Outback.
The blooming onion does.
Oh yeah, blooming onion does.
Not the French onion.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Why did I say French? Because I want to go to France. And I'm putting more onions and garlic and the mushroom for this pasta than actually the Outback, the restaurant version, because I love a lot of vegetables in my pasta. So the mushroom, just cut it in a quarter like so. You can slice it if you want to, but turn the heat to medium high. Add some cooking oil and a little bit of butter. I was going to use my all-clad fancy pan, but I realized I already packed it and it's in the storage already. Looks like a lot of oil, but trust me, you'll be fine. I'm going to sear the shrimp first. While the shrimp is cooking, we are going to make the cream sauce. So Toowoomba pasta is a pretty much Korean version of spicy Alfredo pasta, really. If you don't want to use shrimp, you can use like extra other vegetables, just saute in the vegan butter. Like extra mushrooms would be really, really delicious to make a spicy mushroom Alfredo pasta. It's amazing. Either heavy cream or milk. I like to use soy milk. And I actually tried with soy heavy cream, but the soy heavy cream had a little weird natural flavor and it just didn't really work for the savory dish, so I didn't like it much. So I'm just gonna use my regular soy milk. Flip the shrimp. I might forgot how to cook the shrimp. Into this soy milk, I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I mean, you don't have to, but I like a little extra bump up flavor from these dried ingredients as well. Onion powder. Oof. And some smoked paprika or cayenne or gochugaru. I have a lot of gochugaru, so that's what I'm using. So smoked paprika for if you like smoky flavor and you don't care for too spicy. And if you already have a cayenne, go ahead and use it. You cook your shrimp however you like. Nowadays, I like fully cooked rubbery shrimp, okay? Leave me alone, and that's how I like it, and that's how I'm gonna cook, okay? So if you want 야들야들한 shrimp, then go ahead and cook it like that, okay? Don't judge my shrimp. Finish the cream sauce, and this is a Korean twist coming in. Some ketchup. We need just a little bit of ketchup. Like so, and either chicken bouillon, veggie bouillon, beef bouillon, or whatever bouillon of your choice, or some yeondu. Whisk this sauce, and this is our sauce base. I'm going to start cooking my pasta now in my boiling salted water. You can use any pasta that you like. In Korean Outback, they use fettuccine. I'm using tagliatelle, like a little more wider than fettuccine. Into the same pan where we cook the shrimp, that's where we're gonna add the garlic and onion and the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. They are looking fantastic. I'm gonna pour the cream sauce mixture we made earlier. Reduce the heat to medium low, and into the sauce I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese. Well, this is actually By Your Life vegan Parmesan cheese. You can use whatever you like, okay? That should be enough. I'm gonna add some more when I'm adding the noodles too. Oh my goodness. 아, 추억의 맛이다, 추억의 맛. move. So my pasta is a little under than al dente right now because I want to keep cook the pasta in the sauce. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I don't know if this is enough pasta right now. And some more cheese on top of the pasta. So we're coating the noodles with the cheese first before the sauce. Nutritional yeast will be delicious as well. And you might think, oh, Seonkyoung, I don't think that you have enough noodles because you have a lot of sauce. This is how Koreans like pasta. Soupy pasta. Like seriously. 아, 한국 사람들은 국물을 좋아하니까 파스타도 국물 있어요. 아, 나 좀 너무 오래된 사람이라 그런가? 옛날 사람? 아, 꾸덕꾸덕한 거 좋아하기도 하는데 아, 이렇게 국물 떠먹으면서 먹는 파스타도 맛있단 말이죠. I think they're pretty much done. Oh, don't forget the shrimp.
I was going to say something, but...
Okay. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. Bring your plate. It's the same plate that I used for the lemon chicken pasta too. To make it look good, go ahead and find the shrimp and put it on top. But don't make it too obvious. Some more cheese. And we need some green that makes us feel a little better about eating this creamy pasta. Green onion or some chive. Sprinkle right on top. Ah, it looks so good. It's better than last time I made it. Some people might questioning, why are you sharing the animal product recipe this soon after you announced about you're not plant-based anymore? Because I actually shared the plant-based recipe with Impossible Meat, and people are already like, you see what you think. Like, they think it's real meat, and like, it's almost pointless. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, that's why. It might not enough explanation, but I don't want to talk too much on my cooking video. So, anyways, this is it. I'm gonna take a beauty shot and film my favorite part after that's done, which is eating.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리
Jacob, come over here. Not everybody likes up closing. Better than the soy heavy cream that we used.
And those noodles were a lot better last time we used spaghetti.
If you like my, what do you call this? Toowoomba pasta recipe. So if you like the Toowoomba pasta recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious and I forgot. Last time was coming up. And subscribe my channel for more delicious and authentic Asian recipes.
Authentic?
What did I say?
That was it.
Anyway, you know what it is. If you liked my Toowoomba pasta recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious and authentic Asian recipes. Oh, that part. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung and this is Asian at Home. And I know this is not really Asian dish, it's a Korean twisted spicy shrimp Alfredo. I'm the Asian at home. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. 맛있어.